So, good evening. Once again, I'm here. I'm Innocent Start. Thank you, admin, for opportunity this event, Silly Quest, and also this game coming soon. I'm still waiting about this game, Gravity Legion. You know, guys, I'm talking to Filipino Ruggeds. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Uh, Itong coming NFT game na to, it's sobrang sulit nito pag nilabas na to at na-release na to ng admin na game testers, guys. Alam nyo kung bakit, kasi sobrang daming opportunity nito na binigay nila, saka madali lang din siya laruin. So, ngayon kasi ngayon kasi medyo ayun nga, naghihintay pa rin tayo kung kailan ito i-release.